The Colombo stock market closed marginally lower on May 19, 2026, with the all-share price index, ASPI, declining by 15.40 points to close at 22,298.07, while the S&P SL 20 index fell by 13.21 points to 6,148.77. Market sentiment remained cautious amid mixed investor participation and profit-taking in selected banking and diversified sector counters, although buying interest in selected large-cap and mid-cap stocks helped limit the overall decline. Total market turnover stood at LKR 2.32 billion during today's trading session, indicating moderate market activity at the Colombo Stock Exchange. Crossings contributed LKR 293.06 million to the total turnover, reflecting institutional and negotiated transactions in selected counters. Among the companies that recorded the highest turnover were Hamas Holdings plc and Ceylon Cold Stores plc, driven by active investor participation and strong market interest. Meanwhile, total market capitalization of the exchange stood at LKR 8,068.14 billion at the close of trading. Domestic investors continued to dominate market activity during today's session, accounting for 96% of total market purchases, with net purchases amounting to 2,234.59 million rupees, while foreign purchases contributed 88.53 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors accounted for 98% of total market sales at 2,284.66 million rupees, whereas foreign sales stood at 38.46 million rupees. Overall, the market recorded net foreign inflows during the session, reflecting continued foreign investor participation despite cautious market sentiment. Among the top gainers of the day, Colombo City Holdings plc led the market with a strong price appreciation, supported by renewed investor interest in the property and leisure sector. Renuka Hotels plc also recorded notable gains amid continued optimism surrounding tourism sector recovery and improving hotel industry performance. Meanwhile, Kerner House Global Solutions plc and Paragon Salon plc attracted investor attention due to positive market sentiment and buying interest in mid-cap counters. In addition, Hatton Plantations plc gained following improved sentiment in the plantation sector supported by commodity price expectations. Among the top losers of the day, Richard Puris Exports plc recorded the sharpest decline amid selling pressure and profit-taking activities. Palm Garden Hotels plc also weakened as investor sentiment in selected tourism-related counters remained mixed despite the sector recovery outlook. Meanwhile, Lancome Salon plc and Urbanz Electricals plc experienced declines due to cautious investor participation and broader market weakness in retail-related counters. In addition, SoftLogic Holdings plc closed lower amid continued selling pressure in diversified holding stocks. Among the top positive contributors to the ASPI, Dialog Axiata plc contributed significantly to the index gain, supported by strong market turnover and continued investor interest in defensive large-cap counters. Dow Libel One plc also boosted the index amid positive sentiment towards diversified holding stocks. Meanwhile, Colombo Dockyard plc gained on renewed buying interest in export-oriented and industrial sector counters. In addition, Browns Investments plc and Ceylon Cold Stores plc supported the ASPI movement due to continued accumulation in selected consumer and diversified sector stocks. Among the top negative contributors to the ASPI, Sampath Bank plc weighed heavily on the index due to selling pressure in banking sector counters amid cautious investor sentiment. Melstacorp plc also contributed negatively following profit-taking activities in diversified holding stocks. Meanwhile, Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc and Hatton National Bank plc declined as investors remained selective on large-cap banking shares despite improving economic conditions. In addition, LB Finance plc weakened amid broader pressure on financial sector counters during the session.